Calculating God, a science fiction novel by Robert J. Sawyer published in 2000, unfolds in the present day and centers on a provocative premise. Intelligent aliens arrive on Earth to investigate the planet's history of 5 mass extinction events. One of these aliens, a spider-like paleontologist named Hollus, lands at the Royal Ontario Museum in Toronto and immediately seeks out a fellow paleontologist. Her request is answered by Thomas Jericho, a scientist grappling with a recent diagnosis of terminal lung cancer and a lifelong commitment to atheism. Hollus, a member of the Forhillnor species from the third planet orbiting the star Beta Hydrae, located about 24.3 light-years from Earth, reveals astonishing information. Her home planet has experienced 5 extinction events that align closely with those on Earth. She proposes a scholarly exchange, offering insights into alien science and cosmology in return for access to the museum's extensive fossil collections, especially the renowned Burgess Shale specimens. Physically resembling a massive spider with 2 arms and 6 legs, Hollus wears a strip of blue cloth and speaks fluent English, much to Thomas's surprise. He initially mistakes her for a male and later learns she is female. He also notes she appears to be endothermic, much like mammals. Hollus is not alone. She arrived with 33 other scientists, including fellow Forhillnors and members of another intelligent species known as reeds, who originate from a planet orbiting Delta Pavonis, about 20 light-years from Earth. Their mission is to study the patterns of extinction and evolution on Earth in hopes of uncovering a deeper truth about the structure and origins of life in the universe. As Thomas and Hollus collaborate, their discussions span biology, cosmology, and philosophy, with Hollus offering a startlingly theistic interpretation of science. Their conversations challenge deeply held beliefs, creating a rich dialogue that raises fundamental questions about God, creation, and the meaning of life. Calculating God is both a compelling narrative and a thoughtful exploration of the intersections between science, faith, and humanity's place in the cosmos. The astonishing arrival of aliens at the Royal Ontario Museum sends shockwaves through the institution, the media, and global governments, all eager to understand the aliens' purpose and intentions. Once the initial excitement fades, paleontologist Thomas Jericho begins a series of deep philosophical conversations with Hollus, the Forhillnor alien who initiated contact. Hollus explains that her planet has experienced 5 mass extinction events that occurred at roughly the same times as Earth's, a pattern also shared by the reeds, another intelligent species from a different planet. These eerie parallels have driven both alien species to study Earth's fossil record in hopes of uncovering the universal forces behind such events. Hollus reveals her true mission: to gather scientific evidence that points to the existence of a creator. She believes that by analyzing human knowledge and Earth's evolutionary history, her people may find proof of intelligent design. As Thomas and Hollus work side by side, they make surprising discoveries, not only about Earth's past, but about the nature of life itself. Despite vast differences in form, both species share similar DNA structures, equivalent levels of technological development, and comparable biological requirements, suggesting a deliberate pattern in their origins. Their ongoing discussions delve into complex scientific and philosophical issues, including Darwinian evolution, the Big Bang, the anthropic principle, and the constants of the universe. These debates challenge Thomas, a staunch atheist facing terminal cancer, to reconsider long-held beliefs. As he confronts his mortality, he grapples with the idea of a creator who would allow suffering, while Hollus offers a different view: a God who created the universe but does not intervene in daily life or answer prayers. As the story nears its climax, a new threat emerges. Betelgeuse, a nearby star, is on the verge of going supernova, potentially triggering a 6th extinction event that would devastate all 3 planets. Inexplicably, the explosion is halted by a mysterious force, which both the aliens and Thomas interpret as a sign of divine intervention. Convinced by the evidence, Thomas accepts Hollus's invitation to travel with the aliens to a distant location believed to be the dwelling of the universe's creator. In the novel's profound conclusion, Thomas and the alien expedition make contact with this higher power. In that moment, a synthesis of human and alien genetic material results in the birth of a new life form, one that, the aliens believe, is destined to guide the next cycle of cosmic evolution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.